What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. Hey, man, coming off the weekend. Hope you had a good weekend. I sure did. Well, you know what I'm saying. I guess the market tanking. I don't know, because I make passive income. We're going to get into that in a minute. But we're going to get into these taxes the Stunner Breezy way. You understand what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm different. I'm just going to give it to you raw and real, how I see it. Now, before I get into all that, this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube yipping and yapping. That's all it is, bro. If you coming on YouTube to get financial advice, then you're a dummy, right? Let's get that out of the way. I didn't go to Harvard or Spelman or Hampton or none of that. Pepperdine. Although I did play soccer for Pepperdine. Anyway, hey, let's get into it, man. So, check this out, right? First of all, how I make money is in DeFi, right? I got 17,000. If you're new to the channel, I'm in what you call a drip. I get paid 1% a day on my own merits, my own money. Never expect nothing from nobody else, right? So I get paid 1% a day, passive income, right? DeFi. DeFi is going to be a little harder to do in taxes because they really don't have anything on the books specifically for DeFi. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you in NFTs and if you just buy and sell Bitcoin or something like that, it's easier for you. You know what I'm saying? But if you're in DeFi, it's going to be very difficult. Or any kind of other, like, loans and all that kind of stuff. It's going to be hard to track. But I'm going to give you a couple of options. That's what your boy here for. That's what Stunner here for. Everybody don't just be like, do you tax, don't do you tax? I'm going to give you a couple of options, right? Now, boom. First option. Coinly. Ain't no referral link or nothing. It's simply koinly.io. You know what I'm saying? Now, you can see they got all this here carrying on. You can watch video. I'm going to show you a video you can watch to actually figure out how to do it for you. It's available in 20 countries. I got people in all kinds of countries watching me. So I have to be careful what I say because it may not apply to your jurisdiction. You understand what I'm saying? But anyway, now, some people are spreadsheet people. Some people just need to know. You know what I'm saying? I think everybody should do it because you need to know just in case. You know what I'm saying? What you done, what you did. And you can go, if you in I know Coinbase got a little section on it. Well, they got something you can figure out what all your transactions you've done. I don't know if crypto.com, I think they do. I think Kraken does. But however you choose to cash out, you're going to have to pay some taxes, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to keep it real with you. 2 people you don't want to get problem with. Child support and the IRS. Trust me. Don't ask me how I know. I'm telling you, man, you do not want to get in trouble with these 2 people, man. So just at least find out. Even if, now pay it, I'm telling you to pay it. Even if you don't pay it, at least know what you owe. Because this is what they do, right? The IRS is slick. They move like a turtle. They ain't gonna come after you if you don't pay your taxes on April 15th. They ain't come knocking on your door on April 16th looking for you. Some people don't even pay their tax. They pay taxes like every 4 years. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about. Some people don't pay their taxes to every 3, 4, 5 years. They just pay them all at once. The IRS don't say nothing. But boy, when they come knocking, it's too late. They already got you. By the time they come asking you about it, they already got you, man. And you know how we make money in crypto. Boy, you talking about trying to figure out 3, 4 years ago, it's over. You just got to go with whatever they say. Whatever they say you owe, you just got to go with it. So I'm trying to keep you from doing that, bro. We're not trying to do that. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to the Biden administration, man. Like, this ain't nothing political, but at least they trying. No other administration have really even tried to tackle regulation on crypto. You know what I'm saying? They just treated crypto like it was some people in, some dark web underground off the grid in Alaska or something trying to overthrow the government. Now, whether you agree or not, at least the Biden administration is trying to bridge that gap. They don't understand it, but they trying. And some regulation you gonna like, some of it you not gonna like. They gonna get their money, bro. It don't matter if your mama is the president. The government gonna get their money, bro. So I don't care what you trying to pick sides of the fence and do all this political stuff. It ain't gonna matter. The government, it's just how they spend it. They gonna get it. It's just a matter of some of them gonna put it on food stamp, some of them gonna put it on for a sidewalk in Milwaukee, for whatever. That's just the way it go. I'm the only one gonna keep it real, bro. Objectivity is the key. Period. But anyway, we're gonna keep it moving. So you got Coinly, and then you got cointracker. Right? Now these are the two big dogs. I know somebody gonna be coming. I got a guy who can. We ain't doing that with these taxes, bro. We ain't playing that game with these taxes, man. We're trying to help you out. We are not playing that game with these taxes. So you got Coinly and cointracker. I'll leave the links in the description. There ain't no referral link. It's koinly.io, cointracker.io. That's it. Simple, plain and put. I think they got referral system, but I ain't even using it. I'm just gonna give it to you straight. I think Coinbase uses cointracker, so that's a direct link. If you go through Coinbase and find the taxes section, they have a link straight to cointracker where you can sign in, and it'll, pull up all your transactions for the whole year, and consult your tax advisor on what you need to do. Maybe you need to donate a car or something, a gift to St. Jude or something. You got to do something. But you gonna have to open up a home business or something. Bro, if you're doing crypto and you're making, this is what I love about this, right? The whole conversation has changed. That's how I know I've made an impact in crypto. The whole we ain't never talked about really no crypto taxes. Ain't nobody no crypto. We ain't made no money. I'm just keeping it real. The whole conversation has shifted, bro. Hey, bro, what we gonna do about these taxes, man? Hey, who you? What you do? You really ain't supposed to really talk about taxes because when nobody's a financial advisor that I know of. But people want to know. This their first time really making gains in crypto. You know what I'm saying? Pat myself on the back. I ain't Bitboy people and Elio trades and altcoin daily. People ain't making no money, man. They watching them make money, but them folks ain't making no money, bro. Not from crypto. They just not doing it. They ain't making no passive daily income. They holding Ethereum, hoping to get to 10,000. Maybe a couple of them may have made $1,000 or two. You know what I'm saying? Because if you DCAing in the crypto, by the time you DCA'd up into a hole when it came back down to what you started with. So you ain't made no money. Because it's all about what you buy. It's about the price you bought it at and the price you sell it at. See what I'm saying? And they teach hodling. So if you haven't sold any crypto, you don't owe no taxes. They can't tax you on something you ain't sold. I'm going down the rabbit holes. I'm gonna pull back a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I keep going. Y'all know me, why? I need a podcast. I tear a hole in Joe Rogan ass. Why you don't want none of this over here now? But let's do it. Cause it's the truth. But anyway, man. So and if you're trying to decide whether to do Coinly or cointracker, as videos on YouTube, this one is a good one right here. Coinly versus cointracker, which one is better? You can look at it because, like I said, they got different plans on what you really need to do. Like if you're a spreadsheet person or if you just, a numbers person, they go another one. You know what I'm saying? This is information, bro. Where you gonna get this kind of information? I'm giving you information. Here go one, best crypto software, Coinly, that Coin Panda, all that. Whatever you choose, bro. All I'm saying, I don't want you to get in no tax trouble, bro. That's all I'm saying, bro. I want everybody to make it through this tax. Because like I said, they ain't coming this year. They may not come next year. But when they do come, I don't want y'all to be talking, man, I got to sell my vet. Man, I got to sell this and that. I got to pay my taxes. Bro, you're going to have to pay them. That's the stern of goodness truth. You just going to have to pay it. But we all going to have to pay the piper, which is the federal government. So honestly, man, the best advice I can give you is find you a good crypto tax CPA. They ain't got to be in your area. Just Google it. Crypto tax CPA, bro. And just talk to them. The conversation is free. See if they even got more knowledge than you. If they talking in vague terms, nah, I'm straight. If they know about DeFi and all this, and they start talking that talk, all right, now we can talk. They start talking about crypto taxable events and all that, and they know what they're talking about. You see what I'm saying? That's all that matters. is a taxable event that you have created in crypto. That's what matters. I don't want to get too deep. I know a little something, but I ain't no advice. I don't want nobody, don't be inboxing me. I ain't giving you no information. But listen, man, pay your taxes because I want everybody to enjoy this gain. Don't make gains just to give it all away. Pay your taxes. Whether you agree with what the percentage is or not doesn't matter. It don't matter if you agree with it. You're going to have to pay it sooner or later. You're either going to pay, let's just say you're going to pay 30% today or 90% in 3 years. Because they're going to hit you with them taxes and fees and penalties. That's what you don't want. Just pay the taxes. You don't want the fees and penalties behind it. That's what you don't want. You see what I'm saying? That way, all this you collect now, you have to give it to them. Give it the whole thing in debt. That's what we're trying to avoid. Right? But anyway, man, like the video. Comment, subscribe. Pay your taxes, man. Listen to your boy. It's a lifelong lesson. Pay your taxes.